My name is Samantha Diavatis, and I am going to show you how to perform a self-hookup. The first thing that you want to do once you have plugged your sensors into the Z-Amp is find the 3 sensors that lead to the right side. This is clearly indicated on the Z-Amp. I like to start with the black wired sensor. This one is the ground and it goes on your earlobe. That also is clearly indicated on the Z-Amp. A tip that I have learned along the way is actually black is the same color as the ground or dirt, and so it's the closest one to the ground. So you want to make sure that you put enough paste on each side of the clip. Having enough paste is vital for getting a good connection. An ice cream scoop amount of paste is the term that we like to use around here. So make sure that all the hair is removed and out of the way. Grab your earlobe and put the clip on the earlobe. The second clip that you want to put on is the blue one. This one goes at the top of your ear. Again, you want to make sure that you have a good amount of paste on each side of the clip. Make sure that you remove all the hair and place the clip on the top of the ear. The most difficult sensor to apply on oneself, in my opinion, is the cup, and that's the one that goes on the top of the head. It's very important that the cup is resting on the actual scalp and not on hair. That's in order to get a good hookup. So for somebody that has a lot of hair, sometimes it can be tricky, but I will show you how to do it. So you grab the cup, put a nice ice cream scoop of paste on it, put it in this hand just while you're finding the right spot. Put your thumb just above your ear and your ring finger on the top of your head, and then just move your pinky and find sort of the midpoint between those 2 fingers. Once you've found that midpoint, feel around there, and you should feel that there's sort of this bump that then leads into a dip in your head. Inside that dip is where you want to put that sensor. So once you've found that spot, you need to separate the hair. So what I do is I put the sensor in my other hand, and I just hold it with my forefinger just to make sure that it doesn't flip around. And then I carefully separate the hair, and then I kind of feel around with the sensor until it feels cold, and then I press down on my scalp. The key is having it feel cold. Once you feel that cold paste on your scalp, it means that you've got a good hookup and it's actually resting on your scalp and not on your hair. So now let's go to the other side, the left side. So the left side has 1 less clip, so you've only got 1 clip and 1 sensor, or cup I should say. Starting with the clip, put a nice ice cream scoop worth of paste on the clip, remove all your hair, find the top of your ear and clip it there. Take the other cup, put a nice ice cream scoop worth of paste on the cup, thumb above your ear, ring finger top of your head, pinky just in between those 2 points. Find that dip that's just above the bump, which I've got it right here. Separate the hair, feel around for coolness, and then apply to the scalp. And that is how you perform a self hookup.